So let's start. Are you ready?
Okay.
Let's prepare some pizza dough. Okay, so what you find in front of you is basically what we need for making it. So simply just some good flour, some extra virgin olive oil, salt, water, and the yeast. That's the most important ingredients.
Yes.
Okay? So I usually start just adding the water. Okay, this is 700 grams. Now we are going to add the salt. Usually for this portion of water, I simply add a hand of salt. Okay, the first important things, never put in contact the salt with the yeast. Never, because the salt with a chemical reaction will stop the process of the yeast. So the oil. Okay, should be enough. Okay, in the meantime, we can consider to put the yeast in this glass. Okay, so we can consider to use the half part of the flour. So you can put it inside.
The technique you have is amazing. Perfect.
Okay, now just start to mix everything together. Okay, so now we can consider to add the yeast. You know why? Because the salt is already mixed, so we'll not be directly in contact with it. Okay, now when the yeast is well mixed, we can consider to add the other part of flour. Let's start with a half bag. Okay, let's see.
Now, what kind of flour is that you use?
Okay, this is a 0-0 flour. You know, the flour is slicing in powder.
Right.
Okay, so more is powerful, and more time you will need for letting it rise.
Letting it rise.
Now, this is something in the middle. For this kind of dough, for a great result, we should wait no less than 12 hours. It depends from the season. When it's very hot, like in the summertime, I conserve in a room temperature, and I decide what we want.
Oh my God, it's so good. This pizza is amazing. You know, I mean, it's just, you make your own pizza, you've got this amazing dough, all these amazing ingredients. See, no sauce. I mean, I'm telling you, you got great olive oil on top of that. Amazing ingredients with the zucchini, with the prosciutto, with the, I mean, that mozzarella. Oh, fresh mozzarella. Freaking amazing. And the mushrooms, everything, and the thin, really super thin pepperoni on here. Words cannot express